To complete the initial setup for Windows 11 Home and Pro editions, an internet connection is typically required. However, there is a workaround to bypass this requirement. By pressing Shift plus F10 on the "Let's connect you to a network" screen, the command prompt can be launched. From there, typing the command OOBE bypass NRO will allow the installation to proceed without an internet connection. After executing this command, the system will restart. When prompted to connect to a network again, selecting "I don't have internet" and then "Limited setup" will enable the creation of a local user account, ultimately allowing Windows 11 to finish the installation process.